Good morning, students. The next topic which we will do, that is primitive subsistence agriculture. We have already done subsistence farming. We were doing subsistence farming, and subsistence farming is bifurcated into agriculture, that is intensive subsistence agriculture, and the other is primitive subsistence agriculture. So today we will do primitive subsistence agriculture. It includes shifting cultivation and nomadic herding. Now, what is shifting cultivation and nomadic herding? We will read in the further paragraphs. Shifting cultivation is practiced in the thickly forested area of Amazon basin, tropical Africa, parts of Southeast Asia and Northeast India. So shifting cultivation is done in the areas where thick forests are present, like Amazon basin, where Amazon forest is there, and tropical areas of Africa, parts of Southeast Asia and some parts of Northeast India. So these are the areas which receives heavy rainfall, and due to that the vegetation in this area is quickly regenerate. So these areas are thickly forested. Now, how shifting cultivation is practiced? A plot of land is cleared by felling the trees and burning them. What the people they are doing? Those who are practicing shifting cultivation, they clear a plot of land by cutting the trees and then they burn that area. And the ashes, after burning the trees, the ashes they then mix with the soil, and then a crop like maize, yam is arbi. Maize, yam, potatoes, cassava are grown. These are the crops which is growing in shifting cultivation. And the soil, and after some time when soil loses its fertility, then again another piece of land, another plot of land is cleared, and the same process is repeated. They burn the trees and then again ashes are mixed with the soil, and then on that plot more crops are grown. So that is why it is called shifting cultivation, because the plot of land is shifted after growing crops, because the soil loses its fertility. So the land is abundant and the cultivator moves to a new plot. Shifting cultivation is also known as slash and burn agriculture, because a plot of land is cleared and then burned. So that is why it is also known as slash and burn agriculture. Now, nomadic herding is a practice in the semi-arid and arid regions of Sahara, Central Asia and some parts of India like Rajasthan and Jammu and Kashmir. So nomadic herding is practiced in these areas, mostly semi-arid areas and arid regions, where you can say arid or semi-arid area where water is very less or low rainfall. So in this type of farming, the herdsmen move from place to place with their animals for fodder and water along defined routes. So routes are defined. Herdsmen means the people, those who have cattle. So these people, nomadic herders, they move from one place to another with their animals in search of fodder. Fodder is a food which is eaten by animals, and in search of water along defined routes. So they are using defined routes. So this type of movement arises in the response to climatic constraint and terrain. So this kind of movement is done in different areas where food is not available or water is not sufficient. And the animals which these nomadics they have is sheep, camel, yak and goats are the most commonly reared. So these kind of animals are there with these nomads. They provide milk, meat, wool, hides and other products to the herders and their families. And the products which we get from sheep we get wool. Camel is giving us hide, or the skin of the camel. It is used as leather, yak also it gives us wool and wheat, meat also. So they provide all these products to the herders and their families.